my name is Cole, and welcome to the ORiON demo series. Today, I'll be taking you through the dashboard page. The dashboard page is going to be the first page that you land on after signing in or logging in. Now, we can see in the top left here, we have 4 user applications, 9 AI applications, and I've gotten 1 interview from these applications and 5 total responses. Now, the difference between a user and AI application is a user application is when you directly search for a job and press apply. An AI application is when you sit back, relax, and let the AI search and apply on your behalf. Now, if we look at the application insights on the top right, we can see the graph of interviewed versus rejected compared to total applications applied to. If I hover over each month, we can see for the month of July, I applied to 23 jobs, I got 3 interviews and was rejected from 5 of those. Now, if we scroll down to the application comparison, we can see some more insights of us versus some other users. Now, application comparison will show you how many applications you sent out on a specific day versus the average ORiON user. If we hover over one day, for example, Friday, we can see I sent out 13 applications while the average only sent out 8. Now, this might be beneficial because you might want to send out applications on a day that has less applications going out so you have more visibility to the recruiters. And then if we look to the right of that, we have the job mapping by continent. You can see specifically where you applied in the world. For example, I applied to all US-based jobs, so the US territory is what is lit up on my map. If we scroll down a little further, we can see the top jobs on the platform. Right now at number 1, Goldman Sachs has 11% popularity, Apple has a 4% popularity, and then so on. So how does that really affect your application process? Well, for example, if I'm looking at a role at Goldman Sachs, maybe I can consider applying to a similar role at a different bank to give me a higher chance of getting an interview for that application. Now, we can look through this and we can see the different companies and what percentage popularity that people are applying to them by. If we look to the right of that, we can see the jobs applied. Today, I did not send any applications, so it's blank. But if we go to all, we can see my overall applications from all. We can filter down the yearly, monthly, weekly, and then daily is what we started on. So, for example, I applied to a UI web engineer, and you can see the date applied and the status of the application. The status will be changed based off your application hub, which we'll go into in another video. As of now, we don't have a specific way to track the application once it's been sent in. You have to manually adjust the status, but eventually we do want to add a feature where we can manually or automatically track that for you. And then finally, we'll scroll back up to the top. We can see we have our search bar where we can search anything on the platform, our wallet, which shows us the amount of credits we have to apply, and then we have notifications in our profile. Thank you for watching this video on the dashboard, and please follow along on the ORiON demo series to learn more about navigating and using the platform. Thank you.